Hello, today we will go through the chapter 1 of class 6 NCERT geography, that is the earth in the solar system. So let's start. This chapter is about celestial bodies, and we can define celestial bodies as all the natural occurring objects that we see in the sky are called celestial bodies, and these are also known as heavenly bodies. Above here one fact is given that there is a difference of 4 nights, that is 14 days between the full moon night and the new moon night. Next is stars. Stars are the celestial bodies that are very big and hot, and they are made up of gases. Stars are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount. The sun is the star. The sun is the star. Moving on to next page, we have constellations. Various patterns formed by the different group of stars are called constellations, or a group of stars forming recognizable pattern is known as constellation. Example: Ursa Major, Big Bear, or Small Bear, or Saptarishi. Here in this picture, Saptarishi is given, and this girl is trying to locate North Star with the help of the Saptarishi. How? By joining the two stars on the far side of the Saptarishi, and if this imaginary line extended further, it will point to the North Star. And this is how in ancient time people used to determine directions during the night with the help of the star. The North Star indicates the north direction, correct? It is also called pole star or Polaris. It always remains in the same position in the sky. Yes, pole star always remain in the same position in the sky because it is so close to the celestial pole, or to the line of the earth axis, projected into the space, that the position of the earth remain unchanged with it. Next are planets. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the star. Such bodies are called planets. Yes, planets do not have their own heat and light, like our earth do not have its own heat and light. It gets all of its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. The sun is our nearest star. Next is solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellite, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteorites forms the solar system, and the sun is the center of our solar system. Moving on to next page. The diagram of solar system is given. Sun in the center, 8 planets, and an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. An asteroid belt lies between the Mars and Jupiter. Next is sun. Sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is the star, so it is made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Next is planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system, that are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in the fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Mercury is the nearest to the sun, and farthest one is Neptune. Mercury takes only about 88 days to complete one round around its orbit. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Previously we have 9 planets in our solar system, but Pluto was removed from the list of planets by the Astronomical Union in 2006 because of its size. Now it is considered as dwarf planet. Next, some facts are given about Earth. First is the Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. Second, it is the fifth largest planet of the solar system. Third, the shape of the Earth is called geoid. Shape of the Earth is called geoid, that is flattened from the poles and slightly curved from the sides. Fourth, conditions favorable to support life are probably found on the Earth. Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of this reason, the Earth is the unique planet in the solar system. Next one is, from the outer space, Earth appears blue because its 2/3 surface is covered by the water. It is therefore called as blue planet. So, from the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its 2/3 surface is covered by the water. Here in box, some interesting facts are given. Let's see what these are. Light travel at the speed of about 3 lakh km per second. Yet even with this speed, the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. How much time did the light from the sun takes to reach the Earth? Is 8 minutes. Next is a satellite. A satellite is a celestial bodies that move around the planet in the same way as the planet moves around the sun. And the satellite is of two types: human-made satellite and natural satellite. Human-made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by the scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. Example of human-made satellites are INSAT, EduSat, and example of natural satellite is Moon. Our Earth has one satellite, that is Moon. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Next, here is one interesting fact is given that Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days, and it takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Yes. The time taken by the Moon to rotate on its axis is same as the time taken to revolve around the Earth. This is known as synchronous rotation or tidal locking. So, only one side of the Moon can be seen from the Earth. And one more thing, Moon takes 27 days to rotate on its axis. That means one day on the Moon is equal to the 27 Earth's day. Now, if Moon does not rotate at all on its axis, we would see all of its sides. Next is, the Moon does not have condition favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. Moving on to next page. Asteroids. Apart from stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Next is meteorites. The small piece of rocks which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. What's the difference between asteroids and meteorites? Meteoroids are smaller than asteroids in size, and asteroids lies between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Now, sometimes these meteoroids come to the Earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to the friction with the air, they get heated and burn up. And when the meteorite enters in the Earth atmosphere and they get burned up, these are known as meteor. Next is galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. Our solar system is the part of the galaxy known as Milky Way. So that's the end of the chapter 1, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comments. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and get notification of my new uploads. Thanks for watching.